Jingle bells, jingle bells. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you, with you.
Look at how icy everything is, and that's our fire pit, and it's been filled with water from the rain and now it's frozen. And then if you look at the plants, the camera doesn't really capture it, but they're all frosty and iced. And then I have these ones that I need to pull out and throw away, but I'm just not ready to go in the cold at minus like 12 degrees. But anyways, good morning, welcome to my channel, welcome to Vlogmas. It is the official first day of Vlogmas for me. Now I know that you've already seen 2 videos from me, but these were filmed pre-December, so they were filmed on the 29th and 30th of November. So I didn't actually realize when I filmed them that it was December, that they were gonna come out in December. Welcome to my life, working from home. Let's do a small introduction of what's to come in the following 24 days. Well, 22, because you've already had to. But basically, I'm gonna walk you through my day, all day, every day. I am working up until the 22nd, and then I'm working after Christmas as well, but by then Vlogmas will already have been over. But I think that this is gonna be exciting for me and hopefully for you as well. I love Christmas, but somehow I've struggled throughout the most recent years to get into the spirit, like in November. I don't know why. I'm just dreading January and February, I think, and that's why I don't want December to come. So that's why I'm not like encouraging it to come by putting up decorations and lights and stuff like that. It's not like Christmas is not gonna come no matter what I do anyways, but still, we digress. So yeah, Vlogmas, 24 days of daily vlogs for me. Hopefully I am going to try my best. I have a schedule, I
I know where I'm supposed to edit and when I'm supposed to post and how I'm gonna squeeze everything in between work and university. I'm doing my master's, so it's gonna be a tight month for me, but we'll make it work and I am excited. So this morning I woke up, I washed my hair, I put a tiny bit of makeup because my face is very dry, so I'm trying not to add any heavy stuff on it. I made myself a cup of coffee and I'm here with Simba, who apparently does not want to be a part of this. And I'm gonna start working, and I'm gonna start working here in the bed because I feel a bit tired. It is currently Friday and it's been a few weeks of very intense work for me. I work in e-commerce, and so this Q4, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas period is really busy, and then on top of that is the end of the year, so obviously we have a lot of work to do for next year and planning and strategy and things like that. So it's a bit busy. I'm a bit burned out. I can see myself being more tired and wanting to chill more, and I don't have time to do it. So today we're gonna take it easy. I don't have any calls. Actually have a call, but it's just an introduction call with a new colleague that joins next week, just to get to know each other. So it's not a work call, but I have a lot of tasks and I want to be productive, but I want to be cozy. So I'm gonna be setting up camp here on the sofa. It's been pulled out, so I have all the space in the world, and I already have my stuff because I've been working yesterday. I had to finish something, so I worked until very late, about 10:30. Not non-stop, like I stopped at 6, I ate, I did my stuff, and then I came back to it at 9 and I did another hour or two. But yeah, I've been rambling a lot, but this is not gonna happen every day because this is just the introduction of what's to come. Now let's get on with our day, and I'm excited for Vlogmas. Hope you are too.
This is literally my perfect day. I've worked for a bit. It's currently 10. I've drunk my coffee, and now I'm gonna go wake up my boyfriend because I've heard his alarms going off. But he's nowhere to be seen, so he's still sleeping, and I couldn't go upstairs because I had this deadline for this morning that is now done. So I'm gonna go upstairs and wake him up, and then we'll probably eat something together. Unless he has to rush to work because he slept too much. But let's see. Breakfast is served. We have sweet potatoes, eggs, avocado, cucumbers, and halloumi topped with a good amount of feta cheese. And now we're gonna sit down and eat. I just stood for a little bit in bed after doing some more work because I find myself a little bit exhausted, and I feel like, and I hope that is not the case, I feel like my cold might want to come back. You know, when you had a cold, and I had a cold for about 3 weeks and it was very annoying. You have it and then you feel it creeping back, and you don't want to accept or acknowledge or approve this, so you're trying to push it. And I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. I have a call in about 30 minutes, 1 hour, I don't know exactly, and we're gonna do some more deep work after that as well, because I want to make sure that it is a Friday, I'm finishing off all of my tasks, and I don't think about work until Monday morning.
Snack break. I've got some bagels with marmalade on them. I've just finished my first and only call of the day, and now I'm gonna get back into my task. I also have to finish and redo a presentation today, so I want to work on that. I'm expecting that I'm gonna work a little bit later today after 6. But what I want to do is have a hard stop at 5, do my workout, have a shower, and then start work again, so that I've done my workout and I don't leave it for today and move it to tomorrow. So let's finish the task that needs to be done now until the end of the day. Have my snack. I'm also gonna start watching some Vlogmas because some of my favorite YouTubers have started to post. And my Vlogmas is up. My first day of Vlogmas is up as well. And I've scheduled the second day. I'm filming the third day. Life is good. I haven't panicked yet. So let's get on with everything. From 5 to 6, he is staring into my soul, waiting for food. Like, this is my view. Literally from 5 to 6 until I feed him. You're a horrible person, Shimi. But anyway, it is 5, so I'm gonna stop work right now. I'm gonna do my workout, and then I might do some more work. We might do some tomorrow. I might finish. I was actually debating with a colleague right now whether we should stay on later on a Monday. I mean, start earlier on a Monday and stay a little bit later, or stay later today, or do some weekend work. I still haven't come to a conclusion. But right now, I want to do my workout. I know for sure. So let's do that, and then we'll see what we do afterwards. Legs workout is always the hardest for me. I don't know why. It's just I'm sweating, and I'm not sweating for any of the other ones. But I'm going to take a little break because someone is super hungry, right, Simba? Simba, click. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. So we're feeding the little guy, and then I have one more set left in the workout, and then stretching, and I'm done. It is such an exciting time. You don't even have an idea why. But I've been working on a video for a long time, for a few weeks actually, and the video is about to come to an end this weekend because I'm gonna give you a little hint. Here is my little hint. So I've been growing this sourdough starter for about 3 weeks now, and I think it's finally ready to bake with. And today we're gonna start the process of making a bread. I've been, oh, it's turned off, but I've been following Baker Betty, and she has a no-knead sourdough recipe for beginners. So that's the one that I'm gonna follow. I've been following her advice on how to start my sourdough, and as you can see, it is full of bubbles. It is really nice and big and doubled in size. And today I'm gonna start my sourdough journey. I'm gonna record it for the other video because it's sort of a different one. It goes into processes and steps and stuff like that. So I'll make it a different one, but I'll of course show you tomorrow the rest of the process. Now I'm just gonna make the bread and let it proof overnight, and then tomorrow we're actually going to bake it. But I am excited and stressed because I want this to become like my new regular thing. I want to bake bread every single week, and hopefully the first one is gonna turn out nice. So let's start. Dough is proofing 12 to 14 hours, and now we're gonna start on the actual dinner. So I'm gonna make something that I make all the time. It's one of my go-tos and I love it. It's a sea bass filet with a parsnip puree and a sort of a tomato salsa. I just need to clean up here. And tomorrow we will bake the bread. But for now, both me and my boyfriend are super hungry. He just came home from work, so we're gonna make dinner and chill, and I might actually go back and do some more work or not, depending on how I feel. This is our setup for the night. We're gonna play some League of Legends in a very romantic setup, as you can see. Let me just turn on the light so I can talk to you guys. But I know I haven't shown you the dinner. We have just chatted away and ate. We were super hungry. So I'm actually gonna leave you guys here for tonight. We'll see each other tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, and the day after that day, and every day for December. But thank you so much for being here with me. Excuse my mistakes when I forget to show you things, because I'm still getting used to showing you everything. But I wish you all a good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye.